Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Let's Talk in English, the channel where we help you speak English with confidence and clarity.
Hello, everyone. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Lucas.
We're very happy to have you here with us today.
Yes, thank you so much for joining us. If you are new here, welcome. And if you are a returning viewer, welcome back.
Before we start, please remember to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with someone who wants to improve their English.
It really helps our channel grow and helps more people learn English.
All right, Lucas, are you ready for today's topic?
I'm ready. What is our topic today?
Today's topic is, tell me about yourself.
Ah, yes, a very common question.
Exactly. People ask this when you meet them for the first time, in school, at work, or in interviews.
And many English learners feel nervous when they hear this question.
That's true, but don't worry. Today we'll make it easy and fun. Okay, Lucas, let me ask you first. Tell me about yourself.
Okay. Let's start with my name. My name is Lucas, Lucas.
Nice to meet you, Lucas.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. What's your name?
My name is Sarah, Sarah.
Great. Now, Sarah, where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Wow, Canada. That's very nice. I am from Brazil.
Brazil! I love Brazil. Beautiful country.
Thank you. So, learners, you can say, my name is Lucas. I'm from Brazil.
Now, let's talk about where we live. Do you live in a big city, Lucas?
Yes, I live in a big city in Brazil. It's busy, noisy, but very exciting.
That sounds fun. I live in a medium-sized city in Canada. Not too big and not too small.
Nice balance.
Exactly.
Sarah, can I ask you your age?
Of course. I am 26 years old.
26. Nice. I am 29 years old.
Great. You can say, I'm 29 years old. I'm 26 years old. Now, let's talk about what we do.
Okay. Sarah, what do you do?
I am a language tutor. I teach English online.
Wow, that's perfect for this channel.
Exactly. Now, what about you, Lucas?
I'm a content creator and English learner. I love helping people practice English.
That's amazing. So, learners, you can say, I am a student. I am a teacher. I am an engineer. I am a driver.
Now let's talk about family.
Okay. Lucas, do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I do. I have one younger sister. Her name is Anna.
That's nice. I have two brothers. They live in Vancouver.
Oh, beautiful place.
Now, for the fun part, hobbies.
Yes. Sarah, what are your hobbies?
I love reading books and watching documentaries. I'd also like walking in nature.
Very relaxing hobbies. For me, I love creating videos and playing football.
Football like soccer.
Yes, exactly. Here in Brazil, we say football.
What is your favorite food, Lucas?
My favorite food is lasagna.
Really? I love lasagna too.
What about you?
My favorite food is sushi.
Nice.
Now, what food do you not like?
I don't like very bitter food.
And I don't like extremely spicy food.
So, when someone asks you, tell me about yourself, you don't need to say everything.
Yes, just choose a few things. Your name, where you're from, your job, and your hobby.
For example, hi, my name is Lucas. I'm from Brazil. I create videos, and I love football.
And you can say, hello, my name is Sarah. I'm from Canada. I'm a tutor, and I love reading.
All right, everyone, our time is almost finished.
This was such a fun conversation.
Yes, and now it's your turn.
Go to the comments and write, tell us about yourself.
Write your name, your country, and one thing you like.
We would love to read your answers.
Don't forget to subscribe to Let's Talk in English.
Like this video.
And share it with your friends.
See you next time. Bye.